So in this video, we are going to be looking at the new Facebook feature that allows us to facilitate the speed at which we get to monetize our Facebook page. However, let's go into the software now to see it. First of all, you need to access the Facebook app on your mobile phone, just as I will show you here. Click on it. So you have to make sure that you switch from professional mode to a page mode. That means you are not going to be using the professional mode, you are going to be using your page feature. So the availability of this feature, we are going to see them in detail. First, you go to the three dots here at this top. You make sure it is switched. In my own case, you see I'm on page mode, not professional mode. If you pick professional mode, it will not work. So make sure you select it this way and make sure you switch. So you can clearly see I'm on page. That means page, not individual mode. So I'm on page setting. Then from this particular point, you click on where you get to see this down pods here. Click it. When you click the analytics, you get to see all the necessary information, your performance, and every other details. This is not our target. You get to see your level of progress, and it's going to show you page can be recommendable. So it's telling you how far the page recommendation feature will be activated. I'll now click on show progress. See progress. So on this particular point, you get to see the three different levels in which you can go through before you get to this particular stage. And each of these stages, there are certain tasks you need to complete, then you get ticked. At the first level, you need to start the journey by introducing yourself to your audience. That means finishing up your page setup. That means you put in all the necessary information, what services you are trying to provide, the links or other necessary information. Make sure everything is put in detail. After that, the next thing you go to, you have to make sure that you complete the second stage. This second stage will involve you having to explore some of the key tools, especially the business suite. That means the business.facebook feature, which will allow you to post reels and also post posts. That means you are going to be posting things from that particular business suite to make sure that you meet up with this criteria. So all your posts are going to be from that particular business suite. Then the next thing is you will now come to this third stage. At this third stage, it is expected that you should have at least 1,000 followers, and then your reach. That means you must have a reach of up to 500, just as you can clearly see. A reel, that means your reel must have about 500 play. Then you must have up to 5 public posts. That means these public posts are going to be made serially. That means you must not skip a day. Just as you can clearly see it here, you see it's ticked. So all the features, as you go through the progress stage, everything is going to be ticked. So that is the 3 basic stage. In summary again, you have a first stage. Look at it, level 1, your page setup and unnecessary information. The second stage is you must have up to 50 new plays on your reels and 3 public posts. Then the third stage, you must have 1k followers and then up to 500 plays in your reels, and you must post within 5 days. That means consecutively at a stretch. That is before you get to see all the necessary information. Then at the end of the day, everything will be set up. Just as you can clearly see, I'm up to having 382 plays. In the next few posts, I'll be completing the circle, and I'll go to record another video again to show you guys the necessary things and how far we have gone. You can see, finish this level to start earning money with stars if you're eligible to keep growing on your page. That means once you complete this stage, it becomes possible for you to earn money with stars as a Facebook user. So that is the beauty of this particular stage. Thank you for being there. Continue to keep it there, and don't forget to check my videos about Facebook analytics and other necessary information. Thanks once again. Catch you in my next video.